Welcome from Green Office Partner. This is a Xerox AltaLink. The top portion is where you would add your paper for copying and scanning. Any delicate paper that you do not want to put up here, you would put on your glass. We have a large tiltable user interface with apps that you can customize. If you need to add paper, we have an abundance of trays that you simply just open up, and the green tabs is where you would adjust to your paper size. If you have larger paper or paper that is a heavy weight, you would add it through your bypass tray. And then over here you have your output tray where any of your copies or your prints will come out. And then if you have any finishing capabilities on your machine, the finishing would come out on this tray.